Hello student, today we have to study about the playing with numbers. In this topic we have to solve some questions on the divisibility. Question number first is test the divisibility of following numbers by. So and question number second test the divisibility of following. You see the question. So let's start to solve from question number first. Question first. A 6570. You have to test the divisibility of 2. This number is divisible by 2 or not. So all of us have studied that if the unit place of any number is either 2, 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If these numbers comes at the place of unit of any number, that number will divisible by 2. Here we see that 0 is at unit place, so it will be divisible by 2. Solution. Since just since unit place, unit digit of the given number is units digit. Units digit of given number is 0. Hence so 6570 is divisible by 2. B. What is the B? 6, 9, 5, 3, 7. Solution. Here you have to test these numbers. Here we see that the unit place is not 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So hence units place is 7. Unit place is 7 of given number. So 69,537 is not divisible by 2, because if the unit place of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number will be divisible by 2. But here unit place is 7, so it is not divisible by 2. Option C. C is 628. Solution. Friends, unit place, unit digit of given number is 8. So 95,628 is divisible by 2. So all of you can get the divisibility of 2 if we see the unit digit of any number 2, 0, 4, 6, 8. Then that number will be divisible by 2. Option D is 36, 37, 50. Solution. Here we see that unit digit of this number is 5, and all of us know that if the unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number will be divisible by 2. But here unit digit is 5, so it is not divisible by 2. Unit digit of given number is 5. So 3,63,750 is not divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. So we solve the question number first. Now we have to solve the question number second. Second is test the divisibility of following. So question second, here 75,635 by 5. Solution. Here if you have learned the divisibility of 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, then you can test. For testing the divisibility, you have to learn the divisibility of following numbers. So we test the divisibility of 5. 7, 5, 6, 3, 5 by 5. The unit place, here we see that by 5. What is the divisibility of 5? We know that if the unit place of any number is 0 or 5, then the number will be divisible by 5. यहाँ पर देखते हैं कि यूनिट प्लेस 5, 0 हो या 5, यहाँ पर 5 मिलेंगे, इसलिए this number will be divisible by 5. Unit place, unit digit of 75,635 is 5. So 75,635 is divisible by 5. So it is clear. Now we solve B. Option B 9, 7, 3, 2, 0. 97,320 by 10. Solution. We know the divisibility of 10. If the unit place of any number is 0, then the number will be divisible by 10. यदि किसी नंबर में यूनिट डिजिट 0 हो तो वो नंबर 10 से डिवाइड हो, अदरवाइज द नंबर विल बी नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 10. Here we see that 97,320. In this number, unit digit is 0, so it will be divisible by 10. So you can write unit digit of 97,320 is 0. So 97,320 is divisible by 10. So in this way you can solve other option. So let's solve option number C. It is very easy. If you have learned the divisibility of numbers, you can test any number. Option C is 1,56,336 by 3. The divisibility of 3. We know that the divisibility of 3. If the sum of digits of given number is divisible by 3, then the number will also divisible by 3. Sum of digits of 1, 5, 6, 3, 3, 6 is equal to, add all these digits, 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6. 5 1 6 6 6 12. 6 3 is 18 equal to 24. 24 and 24 divide by 3. 3 8 is 24. 24 is divisible by 3. Sum of digits of 1 5 6 3 3 6 is sum of digits of is divisible by 3. So 1 5 6 3 3 6 is divisible by 3. In this way you can test the divisibility of 3. If the sum of digits of given number is divisible by 3, then the number will also divisible by 3. Here sum of digits is 24 and 24 is divisible by 3. 3 8 is 24. It is exactly divisible by 3. So this number 1,56,336 is divisible by 3. So we see the option D. Option D is 8,19,613 by 9. Divisibility of 9 is just like 3. If the sum of digits of given number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. So first of all, you have to get the sum of digits of the given number. Sum of digits of number 8, 1, 9, 6, 1, 3 equal to 8 plus 1 plus 9 plus 6 plus 1 plus 3. 8, 1, 9, 9, 9, 9, 18, 18, 24, 24, 125. Sorry, so let's sum of this 9 and 10, 10 and 18, 18 for 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28, and 28 is not divisible by 9. 9 3 is 27, but 28, 20 sum of digits. Sum of digits is not divisible by 9. So 8,19,613 is not divisible by 9. Here, if the sum of digits is divisible by 9, then the number will also divisible by 9. Here is we add the digits of the given numbers, but the sum of digits is 28, and 28 is not divisible by 9. So 8,19,630 is not divisible by 9. Now this next option. Option E 7,5,6,3,7. E 3,4,2,3,4,2 by 6. Solution. Divisibility of 6. Test the divisibility of 6. If any number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, if any number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. यदि कोई नंबर 2 से डिवाइड है और 3 से भी डिवाइड है, divisible है, तो वो 6 से divisible होगा. तो first we test the divisibility of unit place of this number is 2. So it is divisible by 2. So unit digit of 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2 is 2. So 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2 is divisible by 2. Sum of digits, sum of digits of 3 4 2 3 4 2 equal to 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. 3 4 7 7 2 9 9 3 12 12 4 16 16 2 80 80. It is divisible by 3 3 6 are 18. Sum of digits of is divisible by 3. 34 23 42 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So 34,200 plus 33 34 23 42 is divisible by 6. So the divisibility of 6, we have to check the divisibility of 2 as well as the divisibility of any number is divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 3. Then the number is divisible by 6. Here this number is divisible by 6 because this is divisible by 2 and 3. So let's test the other option. F 6 3 5 6 4 5 4. Solution. So here we have to test the divisibility of 4. Divisibility of 4 is if the tens place and unit place of any number is divisible by 4, then the number is also divisible by 4. Here last 2 digit last 64 4 1 4 4 6 24. Last 2 digit 64 4 1 4 2 4 6 24. So 64 is divisible by the tens place and ones place. Ones place is divisible by 4. So 6 3 5 6 4 is divisible by 4. Here unit place and tens place. If you can say that if the last 2 digits from right hand side is divisible by 4, then the number will also divisible by 4. Here now we have to test the next option, that is G. G is 6 3 5 6 4 8 5 8. The divisibility of 8 is if the 100 place, tens place and units place is divisible by 8, then the number is also divisible by 8. The hundreds place, hundreds, tens and ones place is 648. Tell the divisibility of 8. 8 8 जा 64, 8 1 जा 8. 6 4 8 is divisible by 8. So 63 86 48 is divisible by 8. Thus these last three digits 6 4 8 it is divisible by 8. 8 8 ja 64, 8 1 ja 8. So it is exactly divisible by 8 last three digits from right hand side. So in this way this number is divisible by 8. So let's try to next option. Next option is H. That is 6 9 1 0 7 6 by here for the divisibility of 11. Difference of sum of even place and sum of odd place is divisible by is either 0 or the multiples of 11. In those conditions, the number will be also divisible by 11. So this is ones place, 2 second place, third place, fourth place, 5 place, and 6 place. So even place is this, odd place 1 3 5. This is even place. Sum of digits of 6 9 1 0 7 6. Sum of digits of odd places. Odd places. Odd place means what is odd place? 1 1 3 5. 1 3 5 में क्या 1 प्लेस पे 6 है, 3 प्लेस पे 0 है, 5 प्लेस पे 9. तो 6 प्लस 0 प्लस 9. 6 प्लस 0 प्लस 9 इक्वल टू 50. Sum of digits of even places is equal to even places is 2 and 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 is also that to also add 6. 20. This will be 20 because 6 is also even places. Here you have to add one odd places. Odd places 1 6 3 0 5 9 50. Sum of even places 2 means 7 plus 4 means 1. 6 6 plus is 6. 6. 7 1 6. 7 7 40. Difference equal to 15 minus 14 is equal to 1. So the difference is neither 0 nor the multiples of 11. So it is not divisible by 11. Sum of difference of sum of digits of all places and the sum of digits of even place. This is not 0 or multiple of 11. So 69 is like 91,076 is not divisible by 11. For 11, have to know that if the difference of sum of digits of even places and sum of digits of odd places is 0 or multiples of 11. In those conditions, the number will be also divisible by 11. Now test the divisibility of next number. Next number is I 169,357 by 3. You know the divisibility of 3. If the sum of digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Sum of digits. Sum of digits of given number is equal to 1 plus 6 plus 9 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. 1 plus 6 plus 9 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. 6 1 7. 7 9 16. 16 3 19. 19 5 24. 24 7 31. 31. This is 31. And 31 is not divisible by 3. Because if you divide 31 by 3, then we get remainder 1. Sum of digits of 169,357 is not divisible by 3. So 169,357 is not divisible by 11 by 3. In this way, this number is not divisible by 3 because sum of digits of this number is not divisible by 3. So let's solve the next option, that is J. J is 805031405 by 11. Solution. Here 805031405. Here we know that the divisibility of 3. If the difference of sum of all places and the sum of digits of even places is 0 or either 0 or multiples of 11, then the number will also divisible by 11. So sum of here check 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We start numbering from left hand side. Left hand, right hand side to left hand side. So sum of these are the places of so even places 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Sum of digits of odd places of given number. What is the given number? Sum of odd place. Odd place first is 2. 2 plus 3 plus is 0 plus 5 plus is 1 plus 7 plus is 0 plus 9 plus is 0. Now add R 2 1 3. Sum of digits of even places of given number is equal to 2 plus 5 plus 4 is 4 plus 6 is 3 8 is 5 plus 10 plus is 8 5 4 9 9 3 12 12 5 17 17 8 25 difference of sums दोनों के सम का डिफरेंस इज इक्वल टू 25 minus 3 is equal to 22. 22 is multiple of 11. Hence, so 8, 15, 31, 14, 0, 5, 2 is divisible by 11. In this way, this number is unique. The difference of sum of digits of even place and the sum of digits of odd places is either 0 or multiples of 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. The difference is 22. That is multiple of 11. So this number is divisible by 11. So it is sufficient for today. I think all of you have understood these questions clearly, and I think all of you will be able to solve many questions based on divisibility. So I hope that all of you will solve many questions from your exercise book with the help and the visibility. Thanks for today. We see in next video.